let's just talk about the second question. Second question says that find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given to us as this. So let us suppose if I am drawing a triangle and taking its vertices as A, B and C. So let us suppose I am giving these vertices which are mentioned to us in the question to these A, B, C. So this is nothing but 4, 7. This is further 7, -4. Now we do know that how we can find the area of the triangle using the vertices of a particular triangle. So the area of a triangle is nothing but is equal to half of x1 y2 minus y3 plus of x2 y3 minus of y1 plus of x3 y1 minus of y2. This is nothing but the area of the triangle. Let's just plug in all the values over here, as we are taking x1 y1 as this, we are taking x2 y2 as this, and this is our x3 y3. So let's just plug in the values. We have x1 is 5, y2 is nothing but 7 minus of y3, y3 is nothing but minus of 4. Further we have plus of x2, x2 is 4, y3 minus y1. The value of y3 is nothing but minus of 4 minus of y1, y1 is nothing but 2. So we have this 2 plus of x3, x3 is 7, y1 minus of y2, y1 is 2 minus of y2, y2 is 7. So this is 2 minus 7. So let's just sort it out. We have half of 5 and this is nothing but 7 plus of 4 plus of 4. This is minus of 6. This is plus of 7. This is minus of 5. Now let's just solve it further. This is half. This will be 5 into 11 minus of 24 minus of 35. So at the end we are getting the values half of 55 minus of, this is nothing but 59 obviously. So we are getting the value as nothing but minus of 4. 59 minus 59 plus 55 is minus of 4 divided by 2, and we are getting the answer as negative of 2. So we are getting the area as a negative. Obviously the area cannot be negative in measure. So it implies that we have to take the numerical value over here only. We cannot take the sign as negative. We have to take the numerical value because the area is coming out to be negative. So as it implies that area is of the triangle is coming out is equal to be minus 2, which implies area cannot be negative in measure. It cannot be negative in measure, which implies we'll take the numerical only, the numerical value of the triangle, the numerical value of the area of the triangle is nothing but is equal to 2. So it implies the area of the triangle is nothing but 2 square units. So always remember, whenever we have the case of having the area of the triangle being negative, so we only have to take its numerical value only rather than going for the negative value, because area cannot be negative in measure. So always remember this concept. Whenever the area of the triangle coming out to be negative, you just have to take its numerical value. So the answer for this particular question is nothing but the area of the triangle is coming out to be is equal to 2 square units, and this is the answer for this particular question.